So, wait, this is...
Yun nga, yung overlooking sa ano ba yun?
our house.
Anong ano ba yun?
Saan yun? Sa ano yun? Sa...
That's our
Amono,
house.
habang parang.
Habang parang, ay nakakatakot yung pala.
Hindi ah.
This is our
Doon lang
house.
rin doon. Pwede rin doon, te. Maganda rin doon. Sa over the top.
Hindi over the top. Dito nga
That's
lang
my
siya
house.
eh.
New nails.
Dito, baka nakatulog na yun.
I got new nails.
Pintura nakakaano.
Pareho sila?
Here.
Ay ano, pareho na silang kulay. Magkaiba.
Sabi ko kasi kay Toto, patungan nyo na ng patungan. And then pag sinecond coat, maglalabas yung...
It's my big sister.
So, init.
Ate Angel! See her
What's that?
video.
Naka-record na.
Ay!
You there. Okay, guys. I got new nails. I got new nails. They're like emojis. What? And this is my mom.
Hi guys. And this is mine.
That's all ours. That's a huge rock. Look. That's a very huge. So huge. There's houses. Whoa! Mom, late in alarm. So yeah. New nails overload. Ganun. Wait for me, ah. Oh my God.